Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are here on a Friday evening and we have just gotten back our PCGS currency submission, which are two notes, both Vermont. Bellows Falls, White River Junction, large notes, 1882, $5, $1. That would be this, which just came back today. World Economy. We've already looked at, those were the 8 reals and the 1 peso coins from the last video. Those were the piastre, the 1500s, 1600s coins from a couple weeks ago. This one is being shipped out today or possibly Monday. Haven't gotten the alert yet and it's getting late, so probably Monday. And then this one will be back on Monday or Tuesday, which is the Modern World. Those are the Silver 10 Yuan 1991 China Panda small dates. I think there are 10 of those. There are a couple other pandas, and there are a couple of Libertads, one ounce Libertads, one that has exceptional toning, and a couple of Canadian silver dollars, both nicely toned, not high value coins, just submitted for fun to see what the grades will be. And yeah. So the PCGS currency submission, looking for something to cover up the address. It's a big box, 2 notes. So we're going to cut this right open without even pausing the video. And the first time I've submitted to the PCGS currency, I have submitted to PMG in the past. It's been a while. Several years, in fact. I just elected to go with PCGS currency because I have the active membership, and figured I would see how these results go. So, if I remember correctly, and it's been a while since I've looked at these, I want to say that these are, I was expecting these to grade somewhere in the fine to very fine range. So, but I really have no idea as to what to expect or how strict they are. I know they're probably just as strict on currency as they are on coins. But as far as problems and that sort of thing, that I am not super familiar with. So another learning experience similar to the comic books. And see a packing slip up on top there. We'll just kind of see if we can take that out without looking at the results. Shouldn't be hard. There's only 2 of them, but there's a lot of paper in here. Understandably so. These are quite delicate, obviously. And they come in this box. And they give you a complimentary banknote submission form, like they do with every other submission. They usually include a U.S. coin submission form if that's what you've submitted or whatever. Even though, although I should say, when I do submit world coins, I usually still get a U.S. coin submission form back. Not sure if it's just because it's the vast majority or what the criteria is for that. But PCGS banknote, very nice, very nice. That's my name. All right, so let's see if we can look at these without revealing the grade. This is going to be a little tricky because the banknotes are bigger and the grade is so prominently displayed across the top. I'm not really sure how to pull these out without seeing the grade. It'd be a lot of bubble wrap, which I could always use in my own packing, so I'm happy for that. There's a packing slip under here. Looking like it might be hard to reveal these without looking at the grade. Show you a kind of idea what we're looking at here. Be able to finagle this though. All right, we had a little technical difficulty there, and we are back right where we left off. Haven't touched anything here, and we are going to see if we are able to get through the bubble wrap without seeing the grades. I'm going to do my best. See them a little bit through here, but trying not to see them, so I'm looking for something to cover them up. Let's see. All right, this should do it. We've got a $1 bill and a $5 bill. We'll start with the $1 bill. Okay, we have the grades covered up. For now, probably won't last too long. It's going to really hard to look at these without revealing the grade. As you can see, we just looking at the bottom of it. It's going to be a low grade. We know that going in, but just see if we can get a guess as to how low. I would say it's no better than a good. Maybe very good. Let's see. Yeah, probably a good. There's a lot of wrinkles, but it's a matter of just making sure it's authentic too as part of it. All right, so a lot of creases, a couple small tears, some heavier creasing over here. Still have some of the green color, that's good, I suppose. But overall, it's pretty heavily worn. And then on the obverse, this is the Bellows Falls. Yep, Bellows Falls. National Bank of Bellows Falls. Serial number there. 1653, 1653. I love the intricate detail of these notes. Large size national currency. I believe it's 1882. I'm trying to remember where I saw that or how I know that. The date is on here somewhere. But yeah, if I was going to take a wild guess, maybe it's a good 6 or very good 8 maybe. I'll say very good 8. I really have no idea. Fine 12. I'm really, oh, details. Okay, so we get the yellow details, and we'll see why. Probably because of the rips, which is fair. It's all about accuracy. So fine 12 details. Let's see if they tell you what the details are on the back edge and internal repairs. So it's been repaired. Probably not the best thing in the world, but it is what it is. I think the detail of the grade is accurate. I mean, I think it's generous, if anything, really. Maybe because of the color and the there's no rips through and through or major tears or anything of those effects. But pretty rare bill, these Vermont large currencies. From what I've seen, they're pretty scarce. So there's our $1 bill, and we'll take a look at the 5. See if we can start with the reverse again, because that's the side that I grabbed. This one seems to be in better condition, as you can tell right off the rip. There is a crease going through the middle, so it's been folded in half on the long way and the short way. But overall, there's a little crispiness left that doesn't exist on the other note, although there is some heavier wear here. So this might be 1 or 2 grades better in my initial quick assessment. It's brighter and bolder. Nice contrast between the tannish brown and the dark forest green. Love the eagle. Love the scripture and the writing and all the 5s all the way around the border. National currency. Super cool. And let's see what we got for, oops, hold on, trying to do this without revealing. Sorry about that. There's a major crease down the middle, which is definitely impactful on the overall grade as we try to reveal that top border without the grade. Okay, there we go. Serial number 3484 is in several places, including over here. There it is, series of 1882. And we didn't get the date on that $1. We'll go back to it after. 6580. Not really sure what that number is versus this being the serial number. Well, that's the serial number. Charter number. Again, I'm currency. I'm kind of a dummy here. So Bureau of Engraving and Printing. All of this stuff. This is like, what's that game there? Find, what's that game? Where's Waldo? This is what that's what this reminds me of. Where's Waldo? Looking for these different things. I would say maybe this gets a fine 15. Even a VF 20, and we don't have the details, I don't believe. That's cool. We just get a straight grade, so that's nice, I think. I don't see the details. Let's see if we have any indication. Previously mounted, yeah, the tan border. We're looking for the. So this was mounted at some point. And again, I wouldn't have known to look for that. So mounted meaning, was it pinholed? Was it hung up by? It's interesting that they're able to detect that it's been previously mounted. Nonetheless, a $5 1882 brownback, White River Junction. I don't see the FR number. It'd be 469. Serial number, plate numbers. So the serial number is the R number, 437-818, and the 469. The 6580 is part of the serial number. And then plate number C5, whatever that means, I'm not sure. So pretty cool notes. I know they're pretty rare. Again, they came up at one of the last auctions, and because they were Vermont, and I'm so close, and I love the state of Vermont, I just decided to toss a couple bids on them. So let's see, does it say the year? I don't even see if it says the year here. $1, it doesn't have a year. So that's pretty interesting. This one does have a year, $5, 1882 brownback, and this is $1 original series. So that's interesting. The original series is the category of the large national currency note. So that's it for this video, folks. Any of you currency experts out there have anything to add or any comments? Feel free to drop a line and let us know what you think. Otherwise, thanks for watching. samscoinsandheavymetal.com, samscoinsandheavymetal@gmail.com. Find us on eBay under the same name, underscore in between each word. USA Coin Book at Jimmy Page is great. Wishing you all a happy holiday season. And we have another couple videos coming up next week. Have a good one.